Assalamu alaikum, Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Meanwhile, while you are introducing yourself to the patient, you should also rub your hand with sensitizer. It will save your time and it will earn you extra marks because you are doing two actions at the same time. You should have your own sensitizer in your pocket because sometimes sensitizer is not present on the table on the examination table. Secondly, your own sensitizer will save your time because you do not have to go to the patient table and get the sensitizer, rub it and then put it on the hand, and it will waste a lot of your time. Put your own sensitizer in your pocket and take it out quickly and rub it on your hands, so it will save you a lot of time. So for example, I am introducing myself to the patient and at the same time I will rub my hands with the sensitizer. अस्सलाम वालेकुम, मेरा नाम डॉक्टर अब्बास है और मैं आपका मुआयना करूँगा. So I have rubbed my hands with sensitizer and also I have introduced myself to the patient. So I have saved a lot of time. It will impress the examiner. अच्छा, तबलीग पॉइंट में हम आज एक इम्पॉर्टेंट पॉइंट डिस्कस करेंगे. अच्छा, आप अपने बच्चों को खुद पढ़ाया करें. अपने बच्चों को आप खुद पढ़ाया करें. उनको किसी ट्यूशन वगैरह पर न डालें और खुद ही उनको कुरान भी सिखाएं, खुद ही उनको कोर्स भी सिखाएं. तो आप जब खुद सिखाते हैं तो वो आपके साथ अटैच हो जाते हैं और वो जीनियस बन जाते हैं. तो आप उनको खुद पढ़ाया करें.